It's awesome, man. It's one of a kind. I feel the love here. I feel that everyone is genuine and helpful. It makes it easier, working an 8 to 10-hour work day. It's like, you're basically living there with these guys. So it makes it a lot easier and when everyone is friendly. So I like that most about Carlson Tool, and also the growth aspect of here too. You're able to grow. So I like that a lot. At the time, I was a student at MATC. My teacher, Mitchell Schultz, told me that if he was out in the field looking for work again, he would actually start at Carlson Tool. Reason being, it's a great work environment. Everyone's friendly. It's a AC shop, so you don't be sweltering hot in the summer months. He also told me as well too, it never gets dull, so you're always learning something new. So that's what led me to Carlson Tool. The training at Carlson Tool has been one of a kind. The guys here are very thorough and very helpful. I feel like if I have any questions, I can simply ask. The training also too has led me to do things in a different way and view things differently. So that's been helpful. Also too, just the training is just a lot different for the simple fact that you're able to grow in different areas and move around in different areas once you meet a certain level of being trained. So it's really helpful. So.